We are here on the, I believe the South Garage at Somerville, Mass. And we have a KONE KSS-140, my first one filmed. This is what modded Chewbacca at Roosevelt Field. Look at that indicator right there. KONE, you messed that up. Death. Well, if you want to go up, you go up to 1. These things are pure crap. The only one who loves hates KONE. Lamb and Fallaccia. Go to the parking roof.
What? How are we going?
Parking roof. Yeah.
Alright, there's gonna be people coming, so you gotta finish.
Yeah. This one serves these floors, residential floors with a key area, but somehow they're unlocked. See? That's weird. You got a parking roof? Go back down to P2. Up this roof.
No, it's gonna have somebody waiting.
I know. Is that on phone? Here at P2. Thank you, KONE. Thank you for messing that up. There it goes, and